The tutorial will explain how the new XLOOKUP function can be used as a VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP function at the same time. The XLOOKUP function is the improved version of VLOOKUP and HLOOKUP. XLOOKUP function is used when you need to find things in a table or arrange by row. The difference between VLOOKUP and XLOOKUP is that XLOOKUP can search for a return value regardless of which side the return column is on. It can look for a return value left or right of the lookup value, while VLOOKUP could only look from left to right. Both functions support exact and approximate matching. XLOOKUP can also be used to look up a horizontal match. XLOOKUP has 3 basic and 3 optional parameters. For the purpose of this tutorial, we will need only the 3 basic parameters: lookup value, the value you are looking for, lookup area, the range to search for the lookup value, and return area, the range that contains the return values. To learn more about the basic and optional arguments of the XLOOKUP function, go to my YouTube channel for more XLOOKUP tutorials. For a vertical and horizontal match, we will need to use a nested XLOOKUP function. For the purpose of the tutorial, we have a monthly profit and loss statement. We would like to inquire about the gross profit, and net profit margin for the month March. Essentially, what we will do is nest the XLOOKUP function within the return area. In this case, the XLOOKUP will first look for gross profit in column A, then look for March in the top row of the table, range B4 to M4, and return the value at the intersection of the two. First, we define the lookup value, which is the gross profit in cell C1. Then we define the lookup area, which is the range from A5 to A20. We need to fixate the column, so press F4. Afterwards, in the return area, we nest the second XLOOKUP function. We define the lookup value as March in cell B2. We again fixate the cell by pressing F4. The lookup area for the nested XLOOKUP will be the top row, range B4 to M4. Again, we fixate the range with F4. Whereas the result area will be the range from B5 to M20. Again, fixating the range with F4. Now we press Enter and copy the formula into the rows D2 and E2. To learn how to use the XLOOKUP function to sum up values based on dynamic ranges, check out my YouTube channel. There you can find additional tutorials on how to use XLOOKUP. Thank you for watching. If you liked the tutorial, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more Excel for Mac tutorials.